Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this vintage window frame for wall decoration. So let's get started. Here I'm using these wooden panels which I got from Amazon for around 300 rupees. I always wanted this kind of vintage window frame for my balcony decoration, but these are very hard to find and pretty expensive. So first here I'm arranging them in a shape of a window, and once you are happy with the shape and the pattern, we'll start sticking them together. So here I'm using glue gun. Here's a tip: instead of glue gun, use a regular Fevicol glue. So once it's dry, we are going to start decorating it. So this is how it's looking. So first I'm going to apply a coat of gesso. If you don't want to paint it and you like wooden texture, then you can keep it this way only, or you can maybe apply some other color of wood stain. If you don't have gesso, you can use acrylic color as well. Once it's dry, now I'm going to use this crackle medium from Little Birdie. And once it's dry, then we are going to paint it with chalk paint. So here I'm using blue chalk paint, sky blue chalk paint. Now I'm gonna take this black acrylic color, and with the help of a dabber I'm going to rub it on the corners of the panels to give it like more older kind of look. You can completely skip this step if you don't want that kind of look. And once it's done, we are going to apply a coat of varnish, and that's it. So after one coat of varnish, this is how it's looking. I have used glossy varnish. Now I'm taking this flower, and now I'm going to arrange them. And once I'm happy with the arrangement, I start pasting them with the help of a glue gun. Again, you can use any glue. So this is how our window is looking. This is how our window is looking. You can make 2-3 pieces of this in different colors and it will look really good on the wall. and do let me know if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.